When it comes to small business financing, finding the right funding partner can be a game changer. Fora Financial has positioned itself as a leader in alternative lending, providing accessible and fast funding options for businesses across the United States. Founded in 2008 by Jared Feldman and Dan Smith, Fora Financial was established to address the challenges that small businesses face when seeking traditional loans. With over $4 billion in funding provided to 55,000 plus businesses, Fora Financial aims to empower entrepreneurs by offering simple, flexible, and efficient funding solutions. So let's dive into whether Fora Financial is the right fit for your business's funding needs. Funding options and features. Small business loans. Fora Financial offers small business loans ranging from $5,000 to $1.5 million. These loans are designed to provide quick capital for various needs, including inventory purchases, equipment upgrades, payroll, and marketing expenses. Key features of small business loans. Short-term repayment terms. Borrowers can repay their loans over terms of up to 18 months. While these terms may seem short compared to traditional bank loans, they are ideal for businesses seeking quick capital to address immediate needs or take advantage of short-term opportunities. Next is unsecured loans. No collateral is required, which significantly reduces the risk for borrowers. This is particularly beneficial for small businesses that may not have substantial assets to secure a loan. Prepayment discounts. Fora Financial rewards borrowers who repay their loans early by offering discounts on the remaining balance. This unique feature can save businesses a significant amount of money over time. Fast approval and funding. Decisions are typically made within 4 hours, and funds are dispersed within 72 hours. This speed's invaluable for businesses facing urgent financial needs, such as equipment breakdowns or unexpected opportunities. Use cases for small business loans. Fora Financial's small business loans are versatile and can be used for a variety of purposes, such as expanding operations by opening a new location, covering seasonal cash flow gaps, upgrading outdated technology or equipment to stay competitive, funding marketing campaigns to attract new customers. So by tailoring loans to meet specific business needs, Fora Financial ensures that small businesses can access the resources that they need to grow and thrive. Revenue advances. So revenue advances are another popular funding option offered by Fora Financial. These function similarly to merchant cash advances, but they're designed to provide more flexibility for businesses with fluctuating revenue streams. Key features of revenue advances. Flexible repayment. Unlike traditional loans with fixed monthly payments, revenue advances adjust repayment amounts based on a business's daily or weekly sales volume. This ensures that businesses aren't overburdened during slower periods. High loan amounts. Businesses can borrow between $5,000 and $1.5 million depending on their qualifications and sales volumes. No collateral required. Similar to small business loans, revenue advances don't require collateral, making them accessible to businesses that lack significant assets. Best for seasonal businesses. Revenue advances are ideal for businesses with seasonal fluctuations, such as retail stores or restaurants, as repayment adjusts to their income levels. Practical applications of revenue advances. Revenue advances are commonly used for covering renovations or expansions during off-peak seasons, managing payroll during slower periods, purchasing inventory in anticipation of busy seasons. The flexibility of revenue advances make them a valuable tool for businesses that experience irregular cash flow but still need access to capital. Eligibility and application process. Minimum requirements. Fora Financial has established relatively lenient eligibility criteria to ensure that more businesses can qualify for funding. To be considered, applicants must meet the following requirements. Time in business, at least 6 months. Annual revenue, a minimum of $240,000 or $20,000 in monthly sales. Personal credit score, a minimum FICO score of 570. Clean financial record, no open bankruptcies. Who benefits from these requirements? These criteria make Fora Financial an attractive option for newer businesses or those with less than perfect credit. Unlike traditional lenders that often require multiple years in business and high credit scores, Fora Financial's requirements allow more businesses to access funding. Application process. Fora Financial has streamlined its application process to make it as quick and easy as possible. Here's a step-by-step guide. Online form submission. You can go ahead and start by completing a simple online form, providing basic information such as revenue, time in business, and funding needs. Document submission. After the initial application, businesses must submit relevant documentation, including 3 months of recent bank statements, tax returns, profit and loss statements. Quick approval. Fora Financial promises to deliver approval decisions within as little as 4 hours. This is significantly faster than traditional lenders, which may take weeks or even months. Funding disbursement. Once approved, funds are typically deposited into the business's account within 72 hours. Additional perks. No hard credit pull. Initial applications involve only a soft credit check, ensuring that applicants' credit scores are not impacted during the evaluation process. Personalized support. Fora Financial assigns dedicated representatives to guide applicants through the process, answering questions and ensuring a smooth experience. So if you want to get started with Fora Financial, go ahead and click the link down in the description to get started. When you click on that link, it's going to bring you to a page that looks like this, and you can go ahead and get started with the application process. All you need to get started is a first name, last name, business name, email, phone number, and annual revenue. And if you speak Spanish, there's a little box that you can check right here if you prefer that. Now, it is good to note here that, again, clicking this will not affect your credit score. So if that's something you're worried about, you can let those worries go to bed. So again, if you want to get started with Fora Financial, just click the link down below in the description. Advantages of Fora Financial. Fast funding. With approval in as little as 4 hours and funding within 72 hours, Fora Financial is ideal for businesses facing time-sensitive needs, such as unexpected equipment failures or last-minute opportunities. Lenient credit requirements. Fora Financial accepts credit scores as low as 570, making it accessible to a wide range of businesses, including those with imperfect credit histories. Flexible repayment options. Revenue-based repayment allows businesses to pay less during slower periods and more during busier times, reducing financial strain. No collateral required. Both small business loans and revenue advances are unsecured, removing the need for businesses to put their assets at risk. Versatility across industries. Fora Financial supports businesses in a variety of different sectors, including retail, construction, hospitality, and even healthcare, ensuring that more entrepreneurs can benefit from their funding solutions. Drawbacks of Fora Financial. While Fora Financial offers numerous advantages, there are some potential downsides to consider. High costs. Fora Financial uses factor rates, typically 1.1 to 1.4 instead of traditional interest rates. While this simplifies repayment calculations, it can result in higher borrowing costs. For example, a loan with a 1.4 factor rate requires repayment of $140,000 for a $100,000 loan. Origination fees of 2.5% to 3% further increase the cost of borrowing. Short repayment terms. With maximum terms of 18 months, businesses must repay their loans quickly. This may not be ideal for those needing longer-term financing to support larger projects or investments. Aggressive repayment schedules. Daily or weekly repayments can strain cash flow, especially for businesses with irregular income. This can make it challenging to manage other financial obligations. Limited product offerings. Fora Financial provides only small business loans and revenue advances. Businesses seeking equipment financing, lines of credit, or SBA loans will need to look elsewhere. Customer experience. So Fora Financial has really built a strong reputation for its customer service. Trustpilot rating is 4.5 out of 5, reflecting high levels of customer satisfaction, and a Better Business Bureau rating of A+, showcasing their commitment to transparency and ethical practices. Positive feedback. Many customers highlight the following: fast and easy application process. The simplicity and speed of the application process receive consistent praise. Also, helpful representatives. Dedicated account managers provide personalized support, ensuring both a smooth experience from start to finish. Common complaints. Now, despite the positive reviews, some customers express concerns about high fees and costs. The combination of factor rates and origination fees can make borrowing expensive. Short repayment terms. The aggressive repayment schedule can be challenging for businesses with tight cash flow. Comparing Fora Financial to competitors. Fora Financial versus PayPal working capital. Loan amounts. Fora Financial up to $1.5 million, PayPal up to $200,000. Funding speed. PayPal offers faster disbursement, often within minutes. Eligibility. PayPal has a lower revenue requirement, $15,000 to $20,000 annually, but requires a PayPal business account. Fora Financial versus Credibly. Loan products. Credibly offers a wider range of products, including SBA loans and equipment financing. Terms and amounts. Credibly provides loans up to $10 million, with terms up to 10 years, whereas Fora Financial focuses on short-term loans up to 18 months. Fora Financial versus Big Think Capital. Loan amounts. Fora Financial, $5,000 to $1.5 million. Big Think Capital offers funding up to $10 million for qualified businesses. Loan products. Fora Financial specializes in short-term loans and revenue advances. Big Think Capital provides a broader range of options, including SBA loans, term loans, equipment financing, and commercial real estate loans. Repayment terms. Fora Financial limits terms to 18 months, but Big Think Capital offers more flexible repayment terms ranging from short-term to multi-year financing options. Eligibility requirements. Fora Financial works with businesses with a minimum credit score of 570 and 6 months in operation, where Big Think Capital's criteria vary by loan product, accommodating both startups and established businesses with higher funding needs. Fora Financial is a strong option for businesses that prioritize speed and accessibility. Its quick approval process, lenient credit requirements, and flexible repayment options make it an appealing choice for newer businesses or those with fluctuating income. However, its high costs, short repayment terms, and limited product offerings may not suit every business. Best for businesses needing quick access to capital, entrepreneurs with lower credit scores, and seasonal businesses with fluctuating revenue. Now, it's not quite as ideal for businesses seeking long-term financing or those looking for lowest cost loans. Final recommendation, if your business can handle the costs and repayment structure, then Fora Financial can be a valuable partner to fund growth, cover operational expenses, or seize new opportunities. Just be sure to plan strategically to maximize the return on your investment. Have you used Fora Financial or another funding provider? If so, share your experience down in the comments below. If you want to get started with Fora Financial, be sure to click the link down below in the description. Now, this is an affiliate link, which means that we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And it's these commissions that really help support the channel and allow us to continue creating free content just like this. So if you end up using the link, we thank you so much in advance. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we're dedicated to making videos to helping new and existing entrepreneurs get started and succeed in business, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.